Let's see how we can deploy a model trained using reinforcement learning with human feedback. Most of you were confused on how to pass a feedback to a model. Here, the actual answer is we don't. Feedback and reward to the model are only used while training, not during inference. So, let's understand this with an example. Suppose there is a newborn child and his father. In this scenario, the child can learn anything. He can be affected by the surrounding. So, in this case, for the son to be good, the father turns to teach him all the social norms and morals. To relate it with reinforcement learning, here the father acts as a reward model whose duty is only to teach his son, which is policy model, and he can learn anything. In the end, the son needs to fight the battle for himself. So, after trained by the father, which is the step 3, that we have trained our policy model, the well-behaved son must come out. Hope it clears. Now, let's go to my old videos where we have trained GPT to generate only positive review. Save the model trained on step 3, which is the same model of step 1 but with guidance provided to him. It knows what is good and bad, and in this case only generates positive reviews. To save it, it is similar to saving an Hugging Face model by model.savepretend along with tokenizer.savepretend with name of the path. Now to inference, let's use gradio this time. If you haven't installed the gradio, type pip install gradio in one of the cell and run it. Then run this cell. It will give a user interface to see the output and provide the text. Here, anything you type, the model is supposed to generate a positive text only. If you type I love it, it gives a response as I love it and with some positive attitude. But now let's try it with negative prompt like I hate how. In this case, the model turns to give the response as I hate how much I love this movie. It is a very good movie. Since the model is trained only for the movie reviews, it is mostly focused on a movie basis. In the other scenario, like in my previous video, we have trained the model to be more like human, to summarize a text, and the same process can be followed there. Hope this clears how to inference or run the model trained using reinforcement learning.